Hey folks, Richard Ross with Computer Learning Zone here. Quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to learn something like PowerShell, Github, or modern VB.net, but you came to my channel and thought, Richard doesn't cover that stuff? Yeah, totally fair. Guilty as charged. Well, today I want to introduce you to someone who does. This is my good friend and colleague, Alex Hedley. I've known Alex for going on 16 years now. We go way back. He's helped me tremendously behind the scenes for years. He used to write handbooks for me. He's been very active in the forums, helping students. And honestly, I bounce ideas off him all the time. We pretty much talk every day, and he's always sending me cool, interesting tech stuff, articles, and things I should look at. I finally had the chance to meet him in person last year when I was over in the UK. He's just a solid guy, and I'm very happy that our paths crossed all those years ago. Now, here's the cool part. Alex has been putting together his own full set of training content, and he's been posting it both on his YouTube channel and on my website, and he's doing all of this in his spare time just to help people learn free of charge. And he's covering a lot of the stuff that either I haven't gotten to yet or honestly probably never will. For example, SQL Server. He actually started putting out SQL Tech Help videos before I released my SQL Server course. And he's got content on things like installing the report builder, Power BI desktop, report server, a lot of the deeper reporting stack that I may not get to for a while if I ever cover it. So if you're digging into SQL Server and want more beyond what I've covered so far, definitely check out Alex's stuff. Then there's VB.net. A lot of what Alex has done is take my old VB6 style concepts and bring them into modern VB.net. So if you want to learn a current supported version of Visual Basic, he's got the full beginner courses, plus tech help videos and things like console input, the .NET CLI, Visual Studio Basics, all that good stuff. He's also got a lot of PowerShell content, which I don't touch much. I've done a couple of PowerShell videos, but if you want to automate Windows, work with scripts, manage systems, that's right up his alley. And then there's Git and GitHub. Now, Alex has been trying to get me into GitHub for years, and I keep resisting. I've always been a solo developer, and I've got my own backup system and workflow, and it works for me. Yeah, I know I should learn it eventually. But if you're working in teams, or you want proper version control, branching, pull requests, all that stuff, Alex has a full beginner course that walks you through it step by step. And again, it's completely free. So even if I'm stubborn about learning it, you probably shouldn't be, so go learn it from him. He's also got some tutorials on the Rubberduck VBA, which is a really cool add-in for the VBA editor. Basically makes VBA feel a lot more like a modern development environment. Definitely worth checking out if you've never used it. So the bottom line is this. Alex is extremely knowledgeable and a great guy, and he's been a huge part of Computer Learning Zone, and I absolutely attribute a lot of the success of my site to his help over the years. And now he's putting out a lot of great content for free. So I'd really appreciate it if you go check him out. I'll put links down below to his courses on my website and to his YouTube channel. Go watch a few videos, give him a like, subscribe to his channel, and show him some love. He's put a lot of work into this, and he's not asking for anything in return. All right, folks, that's it for today. Go check out Alex's stuff. Live long and prosper. And I'll see you in the next video.